How to add skills in Workana. First of all, you must go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select your profile name. Here there is a drop down of my profile. Simply select my profile. So we in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to set up your profile and add different skills too. Now if you slowly scroll down, there's a section called add skills. Simply tap on add skills and here you can easily search and add your skills. So it's up to you and the way you want to keep it. So simply search for the skill that you're adding and at last tap on add. So it has been added and it will later show up in your profile too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.